information room. The door is locked.
Why hasn't Monica called? I told her to get Dia drunk. Come on, pick up the darn phone, Monica. Darn.
The lock is not opening. What do I do? Oh Lord. I can't go around looking for the key. The place is full of CCTV cameras. Help me, oh Lord, please.
Please come, sir. Quickly. Sir, I have made your bed over here. And keep one thing in mind, please. Don't switch on the lights at night. And you would anyways not need light in the daytime. Sorry, sir. I know this place is not as per your taste.
No, Biplab. Don't say that. The place does not matter. It's enough for me that I got into the camp. And it wouldn't have been possible without your help. Seriously. Biplab, I've come here only for Dia's sake. Nothing else matters to me. Look after Dia. And if there's a problem, or you suspect anyone, then inform me immediately.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I was little, I used to come here with my father to watch your matches. Dad was Uncle Radhu's friend. He worked in this academy only. On the day of the match, we'd talk about you for many hours. I'm a big fan, sir.
We have to talk to him. Why did you do this? Why did you take drugs?
Why did you do it?
We all want to know. Speak up.
Please tell us.
Quiet! No! I haven't done anything wrong. When you couldn't win on the court, you defeated me outside the court.
When you were accused, everyone said you were guilty. But we did not believe it. Uncle Radhu said that you would never do anything wrong. And you quit this sport. But even today, your fans still adore you.
Thanks, Biplab. It's been ages since I've seen someone have respect for me. Thank you. Biplab, you should go now. I'll call you if I need anything.
All right, sir.
You're not alone, Dia. I am here.
There are a lot of files here. I'm sure. Arjun's file must be here too.
What are you doing here at this hour? You should be in bed. Didn't the warden tell you the rules?
Sir, Pinky Sharma is running a high fever. I went to get medicine for her.
Fever. Since when? Is she sick?
Sir, she was fine in the morning,
But what?
she saw a ghost in the corridor and got fever out of fear.
Ghost? What nonsense! Stop spreading rumors, otherwise I'll take strict action against all of you. Get to your rooms now.
Yes, sir.
This is Monica's room. It's a girl's room. It's not right to go inside.
It's not here.
They are asleep. It means they didn't give alcohol to Dia. They drank it and dozed off. But then where is Dia?
Karan Mathur, you will get my answer now. Arjun Agarwal? I'm sure. This file contains all the details associated with Arjun's case.
Monica! 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 She had to get Dia drunk, but she herself got wasted. Devi! Mona! Wake up! Devi! 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 Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Darn it! I should hide these bottles. Otherwise, I could get in trouble. The media has been after me ever since Dia's drug allegation incident.
Yes, sir.
I'm calling from room number 3.
Sir, you are in the hostel? It's late in the night. What's the matter, sir?
If your people won't do your job, I will have to come, right? Where is Diya Mukherjee? Why isn't she in her room?
Sir, I'll be right there. I don't know, sir.
What do you mean you don't know? You are the warden. We haven't hired you so you could have free food.
I'm telling the truth, sir. A while ago, I came here myself and checked. All the 4 girls were in the room.
A player is missing and you're giving me a stupid explanation. As per rules, no one is allowed to leave their rooms at this hour. Then where did Diya Mukherjee go?
Sir, I told everyone the rules, but...
Even after you refuse, one player is missing. That means they don't listen to you. What's the point in hiring a warden then?
Sorry, sir.
Take strict disciplinary action against Diya. What are you looking at? There's a girl missing from the hostel. Go and find her. She might not have left the camp. And yes, make sure no one finds out.
Yes, sir.
The media is anyway giving me a hard time. Go on. Where can she go?
This is important information. It can take me to the truth. But how will I remember all this information? I'll do one thing. I should take this file with me. No. If this file goes missing from here, then everyone will suspect me. What should I do?
Viplab, what happened?
There is a problem, sir.
What happened?
Diya ma'am is not in her room, and Mr. Mathur is looking for her in the entire hostel.
What do you mean by she's not in her room? Where can she go?
Sir, I'm afraid that she might have gone towards the office. No one is allowed to go to that side at night. If she goes there, she will get caught. There are many CCTV cameras installed, sir.
But it's also possible that Karan did this to trouble Diya.
No, sir. If that was the case, Karan Mathur wouldn't be so worried himself. But, sir, one thing is very weird.
Weird?
Yes.
What's weird?
When Mr. Mathur went to the room, the other 3 girls were lying on the bed. And one gets such sound sleep when one is intoxicated.
You mean intoxicated? They were doing drugs.
Their room reeked of alcohol. But there was no glass or a bottle. There was some alcohol spilled on the floor. Sir, is it possible that they made Diya madam drink alcohol and she...
Impossible. Diya cannot drink alcohol. And if someone forced her, she would find a way to escape. But where can Diya go? Biplab, I'm very worried for Diya. I'll go and check.
No, sir, not you. Mr. Mathur's guards are searching every corner of the camp for Diya. If anyone sees you even by mistake, Diya ma'am will be kicked out of the camp. Sir, you need not worry. I will find Diya ma'am.
You know,
Just like Mr. Mathur, I am also angry with Dia too. Why did she have to go so late in the night? But we have to find her. It's Mr. Mathur's orders.
Oh Lord. Karan Mathur is looking for me. What should I do now?
I should try calling Dia.
The number you have called is currently switched off. Please try again later.
Where are you, Dia? I told you not to give Karan any chance. I don't understand what's gonna happen.
Kush! Kush, my dear, open the door. Kush! Open
Mom?
the door.
Mom, what happened?
I want to talk to Kush.
But what's the matter?
Arjun isn't fine. He isn't fine at all. I want to talk to Kush right now.
Mom, what happened? It's late in the night.
My dear.
Are you okay?
Dear Kush, please make me talk to Arjun. Make me talk to him once. You must have spoken to him. You called him, didn't you? Make me talk to him once, dear, please. I won't say anything to him. I won't scold him. Believe me. Make me talk to him once.
Mom, calm down, please. Mom, calm down.
I want to talk to him. I saw a nightmare. I saw that Arjun was trapped in a dark cave and he was calling out to me.
Mom, please go inside. We'll sit and talk. Come on. Please, come on.
Why don't you understand? How can I sit peacefully? I wonder what condition my children are in over there. And you want me to sit? That monster Karan is a constant threat to Dia and Arjun is missing. We don't know where he is.
Do one thing. Call the police and file a missing complaint about Dia.
Okay, sir.
I know nothing about Dia's whereabouts until now. I don't understand what I should do. Hello, Biplab. Did you find Dia?
No, sir. I have no information on her. I searched the entire hostel, but she is nowhere to be seen.
And Biplab, I need to get out of here. Dia is missing. I cannot sit on my hands. I have to find her. Please, this is very important.
No, sir. Please don't do that. If you get caught, Dia ma'am will get in trouble. The guards are looking for her. We will find her, sir.
No, I won't let anything go wrong. No!
Sir, we found her. Sir, we found Dia.
Where is she?
She's downstairs.
Come with me.
I was relieved after the prayer that my family had reunited. I prayed over and over again. I thanked the Lord for returning my son before going from our house. I thank the Lord. She brought Dia into our lives as a new ray of hope. I had forgiven Dia with all my heart, believe me. I have nothing against her anymore. But then I wonder what happened. I don't know who cast an evil eye on us.
What are you doing here?
Sorry, sir. Actually, I wasn't feeling sleepy. I was having anxiety. The match is tomorrow, that's why. I thought I should practice for some time. If I get tired, I might fall asleep.
Sir, she was only practicing. We cannot report a player for practicing.
I cannot even take any action against her.
Please understand, sir. It's about my job.
I will find out if you came here to practice or do something else. And you, make sure this doesn't happen again. Otherwise, before the contestants, I will take disciplinary action against you.
Dia, you are in a serious trouble. They were prepared to kick you out of the camp. Go back to your room. Go to your room. This is your last warning. This shouldn't happen again.
Okay, ma'am. What do you think, Karan Mathur? Only you can play games. You want to kick me out of the academy? It won't be long before you get kicked out. I swear to Lord, if I don't get you expelled out of this badminton academy, then you may stop calling me Dia Arjun Agarwal.
I'm worried about Arjun. I cannot sit on my hands. Tell me if you can do something. Otherwise, I'll do it myself. I'll do something myself. I'll go and find him. I'll go to the police station if I have to.
Mom, wait,
Leave
wait,
me.
Mom, stop. Mom.
Leave me.
Mom,
Leave
stop.
me.
It's 2 a.m.
I'll
in
go
the morning.
to the
Where will you
police.
find him?
Leave me.
Mom, calm down. Mom, please. Mom, nothing will happen to Arjun. Whatever he'll do it after careful consideration. Because he has to look after Dia and not just himself.
I told them not to. I refused both of them. I told them to quit badminton. This game will take away all our happiness. But no one listened to me.
Mom.
What should I do now? What should I do now?
Mom.
Tell me. What should I do? Kush, what
Mom.
should I do?
Mom, please pull yourself together.
Tell me, son.